In this video, we listed the 5 best drawing tablets on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. GAOMON S620 Tablet. The GAOMON S620 is a compact digital drawing tablet that features a vibrant 3840 by 2160 resolution and a pressure-sensitive stylus with 8192 levels of sensitivity, allowing for precise and natural drawing experiences. With a portable size of 6.5 by 4 inches and a lightweight design, it's perfect for digital artists, students, and professionals on the go. The tablet includes customizable express keys to enhance workflow, along with a passive electromagnetic resonance pen that operates without batteries, ensuring continuous use. Its compatibility extends to various operating systems, including Android and macOS, and it works seamlessly with popular software like Adobe Photoshop and Clip Studio. The S620 also supports direct interaction with documents like PDFs and other Office files, making it a versatile tool for both creative and professional applications. Packaged with essential accessories like additional pen nibs and an OTG adapter, the tablet is designed for efficiency and ease of use, further supported by a 1-year warranty for non-human damages. GAOMON, a tech leader in digital input technologies, continues to innovate in the digital art landscape. Number 2. GAOMON M106K Pro. The GAOMON M106K Pro is a versatile 10-inch graphics drawing tablet designed for digital artists, architects, and students, featuring a screen resolution of 1920 by 1280 and a pressure sensitivity of 8192 levels. With a spacious active area of 10 by 6.25 inches and a lightweight design at only 780 grams, it offers a user-friendly experience for creativity on the go. The tablet includes a battery-free stylus supporting tilt functionality, plus or minus 60 degrees, and is equipped with 12 programmable hotkeys for customized shortcuts, enhancing workflow efficiency during drawing, signing, and annotating on various documents. Compatibility with Windows 7 or later, Mac OS 10.11 or later, and Android 6.0 or later, ensures it works seamlessly with popular software like Photoshop and Illustrator. The package comes complete with essential accessories, including replacement pen nibs and a convenient pen case, making it a comprehensive solution for digital art and design tasks. Number 3. Frunsi Standalone Drawing Tablet. The RubensTab T11 Pro is a versatile and affordable standalone drawing tablet featuring a 10.1-inch HD IPS display with a resolution of 1920 by 1200, making it ideal for artists and designers. Powered by Android 13 and equipped with a quad-core MTK8183 CPU, it boasts 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage, with support for an additional 128 GB via a TF card. The tablet's 5800 mAh battery provides over 5 hours of usage, allowing for creative pursuits without the need for a computer. It includes an active stylus for precise drawing, palm rejection technology, and comes pre-installed with drawing applications, while offering the flexibility to download more from the Play Store. The package includes essential accessories such as an adjustable stand case, USB cable, charging adapter, and a black drawing glove, ensuring an optimal drawing experience on the go. Certified for safety and quality through FCC and CE standards, the T11 Pro promises reliability alongside a 1-year warranty, making it a great choice for both amateurs and experienced artists. Number 4. GAOMON WH851 Graphics Tablet. The GAOMON WH851 is an advanced graphic tablet designed for artists and creators, featuring an 8-inch diagonal screen and a high resolution of 5080 LPI, providing impressive accuracy with a plus or minus 0.3 mm tolerance. It operates with battery-free EMR pen technology that supports an incredible 16,384 pressure levels and plus or minus 60 degrees tilt functionality, ensuring a lifelike drawing experience. The tablet connects wirelessly via Bluetooth 5.0, eliminating the hassle of cables, and has a long-lasting 1300 mAh battery that allows for 18 hours of continuous use. It includes a spacious working area of 203.2 by 127 mm in PC mode and a default of 127 by 63.5 mm in phone mode. Alongside its lightweight and slim design, the WH851 features 8 programmable press keys, a spinning mechanical dial for enhanced productivity, and compatibility with a wide range of operating systems including Windows, Mac OS, Android, and Linux. The tablet comes complete with essential accessories and caters to various creative software applications, making it a versatile tool for digital art, design, and online learning. Number 5. VEIKK 15 Pro. The VEIKK 15 Pro is a graphic tablet with a screen resolution of 1920 by 1080 and a 10.1-inch diagonal size. It has 8,192 pressure levels and a resolution ratio of 50/80 LPI. The tablet comes with a package including a glove, pen stand, and 20 pen nibs. It is made of good quality plastic and has an interface type of USB. The tablet is compatible with Windows 11, 10, 8, 7, Mac OS 10.12 or above, and Android 6.0 or later. It features 12 customizable soft keys, 1 quick dial, an AP02 rechargeable pen with 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity. The tablet is lightweight, thin, and easy to carry, making it a convenient tool for digital art creation.